In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to change your password on GitHub. Whether you're strengthening your account security or simply updating your credentials, this straightforward process will help you change your password in just a few moments. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you land on your GitHub homepage. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your GitHub account settings. Now, look at the left sidebar and click on Password and Authentication. This section contains the settings for your password and other account security options. Once you're in the Password and Authentication section, find the Change Password option and click on it. A form will appear where you'll need to enter your current password. Type your existing password in the designated field. Next, enter your new password. Make sure to create a strong password using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Then, enter your new password again in the confirmation field to make sure both passwords match. Finally, click Update Password. GitHub will process the change and your new password will be active for future logins. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on GitHub. Thanks for watching.